Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, what a day today in the market. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, everything's getting hit right now, ladies and gentlemen, and it's tough out there. We got a war going on. It's tough. Things are happening right now. I'm going to bring a baby knockout. This is the first time I've talked about this baby knockout. First time I'll reveal it. Also, this weekend, I'm going to reveal the Navy AI baby knockout for the first time. First time ever, guys. I'm giving you these baby knockouts. That's because some of these, this is our second go round with them. They've been good to us. The first round one, in which they went up and then went up real high. Now we got another round in which they may go up even higher. You see what's going on out there right now. Our hearts, our prayers, our thoughts go out to those members of the armed forces that are involved in this operation, ladies and gentlemen. Every operation is dangerous, and we want to pray for our men and women in uniform that are out there doing their thing. But we're going to talk about an oldie but goodie. And a lot of you made a lot of money the last time we played this stock. And I'm not in it right now, but I may jump into this baby because I think it's going to go very, very high in the future, ladies and gentlemen. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. It can go down to zero, right? But it's in the oil refining area, and they were jumping from oil refinery. They were going to do carbon credits. Remember, I have a friend in Texas, one of our Baby Knockout Hall of Fame members in Texas, along with another Baby Knockout Hall of Fame member in Illinois. They cleaned up on this one. I don't want to mention their names anymore, but they're out there. They cleaned up. In fact, I did a video on this particular stock with one of our subscribers, one of our Scoop Team members, and he's, like I said, he's a Hall of Famer. And maybe if I can get that, I'll figure it out, and you can see it at the end of this. But let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at this baby knockout, and then this weekend we'll take a look at the Navy AI baby knockout. First time ever. First time ever. Let's take a look. Hope you and your family are doing well. Hope everything is good with you, ladies and gentlemen. But this is really this is something. This is something, and we don't take any of this stuff lightly, because these operations, are really, really tough. And Take It Urgent Fury was over that's Grenada, guys. It was over real fast. Not like this one. This one's going to take a little while. So let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Make sure you hit that like, share, hit that thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Ladies and gentlemen, voice a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mickey Dee, aka the Baby Knockout Goat here. The baby knockout that I wanted to reveal to you for the very, very first time is Blue Dolphin Energy. Now, Blue Dolphin Energy is a little small company that you probably never heard of. A lot of you never heard of it, especially that first time. A lot of you never heard of it. It's difficult to find baby knockouts in the oil area, ladies and gentlemen, in the refining area. But Blue Dolphin Energy did meet the baby knockout criteria there, and its refinery operations and toll term, they're out of Texas. And what caught our attention is they were making money, but they had the cash flow going, and they had a lot of cash flow, but they were losing money, and at the time the oil gas prices were lower, and then they perked up and the stock did really well, after they decided to depart from the carbon credits and go back to the refinery. See, that's what I like about a lot of these small companies. They're nimble, and when the market changes, they can change. I was recently here, I was at a conference, and I was talking to one of our favorite CEOs, who's the CEO now of Hive Digital, Frank Holmes. You remember Frank? When Hive was Hive Blockchain back in the day, and we all made a lot of money on that, but the market has changed, when it comes to Bitcoin. So he has slowly moved over to the energy area and looking at data centers and providing, you got to change with the market. If the market changes, then sometimes you have to change. And that's what Blue Dolphin right now has done. Blue Dolphin has made some changes right now. They still lost too much money for our blood, and that happens sometimes. They lost quite a bit of money this past quarter. What was it, 35 cents or something? I don't know, 31 cents a share. They lost some money. Okay. So when they lose money, they lose money. Companies lose money. That's what they do. Some do, ladies and gentlemen. But Blue Dolphin, if you look at a chart of Blue Dolphin, it's $1.67 right now. You guys, uh, I'm sure a lot of you aren't in it at the original 25 cents at the original baby knockout because it ran up and you guys made a lot of money. When these things run up 1,500% or so, it's time to take something off the table. And a lot of you did because it was coming right back down along with the oil price going. But the oil price is going back up now. If you look over here on the right hand side, we've been trading sideways for a little while here. We're just on a long term chart right now. We're just peaking over the 48-day moving average, ladies and gentlemen. Just going over the 48-day moving average here recently. So no, I don't have a position right now, but Blue Dolphin Energy is definitely something to put on your watch list because once again, it's the only refinery oil type play that we've ever recommended as a baby knockout, ladies and gentlemen. It's the only one. And we've had some companies change. They were gold companies, they were silver companies, and then maybe they went in another direction. But Blue Dolphin Energy has always been on that. And secondarily, they were doing refine. They were looking to get out of the oil refinery business. This is going to be a hot sector now, and they're going to up their game, and we'll see what happens. Make sure to put them on your watch list. They Past performance is not indicative of future performance, ladies and gentlemen. They did really, really well for us. 1,500% in the past. So we'll see. We'll see. I think it's going to go higher this time because this is going to be a longer, more drawn out uh, uh, war, Straits of Hormuz, an area that I spent time in. It's not easy to unwind what we're getting ready to wind right now. It's not going to be easy to unwind it. If you think it is, you're sadly mistaken. I'm telling you that right now. This is going to take a minute, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. With the oil going sky high. The Strait of Hormuz still questionable. Still can't get through there. Uh, the Iranians saying they're going to close this, they're going to do that. The oil may hit the roof. It was up big today, but it may hit the roof. And a lot of these stocks that were on the bubble, and we don't. That's not necessarily our lane, guys. Oil, but we do have a log in the fire, which is Blue Dolphin Energy. It did well for us last time. Let's just see what it does this time, ladies and gentlemen. I don't have a position right now. One of the few stocks that I don't have a position. I've been staying away. What's been so good to us has been, our junior silver mining stocks have really been good to us. And our gold stocks have really, really been good to us, ladies and gentlemen. As you can recall, you were around right when Barrick was 22, 23, 24. It was just it was small teenager, and some of these are big time. Pan American Silver, First Majestic, Fortuna Silver, Core Mining. That was just on a list of just four silver companies. They did pretty well, right? This is 2020, guys. And the baby knockouts in there, they're still going now. So I don't even want to talk about the baby knockouts. But anyway, this weekend, first time ever, just like Blue Diamond Energy, I'm giving you number ones, ladies and gentlemen, and just a couple here, just to whet your appetite. You want to get the Baby Knockout newsletter, make sure you at the end of every video, there's information where you can, cash app, or yeah, I did get your cash app. Yeah, yeah. You can cash app, or you can thank you, Mark, and quite a few. I can't start naming people, but I got your cash app. Also, you can go to PayPal and you can make that happen. A few of you, you haven't responded yet. You have to renew. So that's why you didn't get the stocks from the money show, from the conference stocks, which included a 4 cent stock that was a gold stock, 100 and what was it, 120 uh, really great results. That's all I could tell. Out of this world was 4 cents. Just wait. Canada doesn't know about it yet. Just wait. Just wait. When Canada finds out, because this is what they told me. I'm talking right to the horse's mouth. I'm talking right. I get my information right from the source. So it's not inside information. It's just that they haven't done anything, and Canada should know about it. But I can tell you, they're located in the desert southwest in America, and they're going to do very well when they get their act together. But anyway, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You need strength, you need energy, you need guidance. Look up, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where it's going to come. God bless those troops out there, ladies and gentlemen, whether you're land, sea, wherever you are, you're in the air. Appreciate you. God bless you.